Let's take a look at the resources available in Pebble+. So from the home page, if I go into Custom Resources, this gives me a clear layout as to what I have available to use. Now most of these resources I can use again, such as the template I've selected here. I can use these multiple times to create multiple assets. For example, I'm probably going to use this reflective template quite a few times. Once I complete and save these, they become assets in my store. I can then add these to other assets like portfolios and collections, or even share them for assessment or with someone. So now I've completed this, I'm going to save it, and like I say, that becomes an asset in its own right. Back in Custom Resources, I can also see I have some workbooks. This workbook is set to auto-submit. This means it is automatically shared for assessment with a workspace in Atlas. When I go into the workbook, a dialog box is displayed that shows this in a bit more detail. The first time I save my asset, it's going to be automatically submitted to that workspace. And every time I update the asset and save it, my submission is updated, right up until the deadline set by the tutor. As the workbook is also set to single use, you can see that when I try to open it again, it takes me back to my first response, so I continue where I left off.